Hey, welcome back to the channel, Hmong Alaska Adventures. We are here at a local spot on the Kenai Peninsula. We are gonna do what we call flossing, a technique that we fish here in Alaska. I've heard of ones that are fishing in Wisconsin uses it too, but all we do is use this, a yarn on a hook, and when the fish comes up river, they open their mouth and we're just trying to hit it in the mouth. And so we're gonna do a technique called flossing. I've got my son, he limit out already. I just got here. If you guys want to know where this place is at, message me on the DM and I'll let you guys know. But we're gonna be doing some flossing, and there's plenty of fish in the river right now, so get out and have some fun. Like and subscribe.
Not yet.
Oh, that's all one.
I know.
Oh,
Ooh, snapped out. Oi. I wonder too. Oh yeah, he got it.
Okay, mommy.
Hmm? Right in the mouth.
It's like magic.
Yeah.
Magic. Because you don't even know where to cook the fish.
Magic. Hmm?
No. Megamind has a big head too, so. Nope. Ooh, there's a bee coming. Imagine if we went water tubing on this.
I know. That'll be fun.
Oh, that
right?
would be fun.
Fun and scary.
Yeah, I just saw one jump.
Saw a fish jump?
Yeah, no.
Grace will be the first one to fall off from here, right?
Yeah.
And then Jemiah.
If all our cousins came in there on there.
We make them go up one on the other side.
You know why Grace fell? Yeah,
She purposely jumped.
go. No, she wasn't holding on to us too. She was just raising her hand. No, yeah. If you put them on that side, you're going to die. And over there, there's like a giant wave. Like it's like really big. Like it doesn't stop there. It's just like it's a really big. Yeah, water tubing was fun, but really boring. I mean, it was fun, but it took forever. It was 4 hours. 4 hours, and we went to the
Ooh, did you see
arcade
that fish
after
jump?
that. Yeah. And then after that, he ate pizza. After that, he talked. After he had and then we went to the arcade. I said that right after. You said we had a pizza. No, I said we went tubing 4 hours, and then we went to the arcade, and then he went to go eat pizza, and then he had a discussion, and then he talked. That's like his third time.
This is his third time. It's like up in the tree. And stop. Gavin.
That's what you do. Give me that going right now. No, I don't. Up top. No, Daddy, it's okay. Stop! Oh, he's on one again. Oh, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up.
Ah,
He did it again.
yeah.
It's his fourth time. He look back. He's been losing. Don't
late.
lose this one. Oh. He did a roll before.
Yeah.
So sad. Also, you know, I was watching a video where a monkey was doing a really pretty. He was going down the hill, and he was just doing that.
Did the fish go? They're over there. I can't see it anymore.
Oh yeah, that's moving down.
Girl.
Yeah,
to break a
people all
leg.
go
See,
down.
this could have been our sixth one if we could have left. Within that, what, 20 minutes? Yeah, don't move. I'm taking video. Don't shake the video, girl.
Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's still moving. It's still fighting. Oh, right there, right there.
Where am I supposed to record at?
I don't know. Got it. They're right there.
I think when all this fish start saw a fish at the surface, and then Dad caught it.
Oh yeah? There, girl.
I haven't like oh, that's the one again.
Yeah.
Ooh. Are you recording? That girl stole my phone. Mom, I took a picture of her. Eating.
We'll just take it. They're hidden behind this tree here. Sorry, guys. Hmm?
Why are you so happy with this boat?
Because I'm always happy.
But you're with me.
Okay. Hmm? Oh, there he goes again.
Oh, that's a pretty big.
Is it? He's fighting.
Oh, it's going down.
I know. Maybe he just got by the side, not the mouth. Yeah. Huh? What?
Give me it back. Give me it back.
There goes
Oh,
another
I'm
one.
one again. Oh, I saw a surface. Oh, we
Is it
gotta
in the
get-
mouth? Is it in the mouth?
Oh no, he's stuck. Stuck.
Oh.
Oh, but I did see one surface.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just saw her. I just saw her on the floor.
Oh, there he goes, Gavin.
She was looking at me, and I'm like, oh, is this the That's what I asked.
You got it, your daddy. Oh! Oh, Sammy got her.
She played with me. She was like a dad. No, that was the second time we saw it. No, that was the first time. That was the first time finding it. No, mommy. Okay, okay, they did it, okay? You don't have to go, mommy.
Not yet.
I'm getting kind of a hat and Gavin take me.
Why would you go back there for?
I'm not. You didn't give me a really you were supposed to. I go back by myself. Mommy, I'm gonna go back.
Sit here.
If you go back over, you gotta go to the car. You find the golden shape.
Look, your dad's getting fish. Every quiet.
Can Gavin take me?
No.
Oh, Uga Buga. Gavin, look, Uga Buga. Look at that. Guys, I thought that was more.
What?
I thought that was Good memories. What are memories? I know, what memories. Look at my sucky fishy. Isn't it? Okay, that's good. I'm going. I'm working on it. What? Not in the mouth.
It is. I'm just saying.
Huh? Go! On the biscuit!
hour?
About an hour. An hour is 6 fish. They're in here, folks.
Careful, Blossom. What, NJ? Ito na.